Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, Mrs. Hensley's friends. I hope you're having a wonderful Wednesday so far. We have a calendar to do, okay? Are you guys ready? Because I know I am ready. Here we go. I hope that Avery had an awesome birthday yesterday. I really hope you did. Okay. We are still in the month of September. So today is September 30th, 2020. So it goes right there. You guys can hardly see that, right? Okay, it's kind of hard to see. Okay, so today let's do our yesterday and today. Okay, so who remembers what Mrs. Hensley said? I hope you're having a wonderful Wednesday. So today is Wednesday. Okay, so we'll put that there. Today is Wednesday. What comes after Wednesday? What comes after Wednesday? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Oh, that naughty TH that says Thursday. And what was yesterday? What comes before Wednesday? Okay, so let's find out what comes before Wednesday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday. So, Tuesday. Okay, so yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Okay, let's see how many days we have been in school. We are adding a straw to the numbers of days we've been in school. We are adding a tally for another day we've been in school. And let's count our straws and our tallies. We have two 20s here, so two 10s, I'm sorry. 10, 20. Let's put those back in the 10s. 21, 22, 23, 24. So we've been in school 24. Let's make sure there are 24 tallies. Okay, here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So Mrs. Hensley needs to write the number 24, which is 2, 4. 24. We've been in school 24 days today. Okay, so let's go back to our calendar and look at our pattern. So we have an A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, don't we? So let's look down here. We have A, B, A, B. Ooh. Do you think tomorrow is going to be red? Guess what? Guess what, friends? No, it may not be. You know why? Today is the last day of September. We have a new month tomorrow. Today is September the 30th, 2020. So we have a new month. What comes after September? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October. So tomorrow will be October 1st, okay? So no, it may not be red tomorrow. It probably won't be apples tomorrow. You will find out tomorrow what it is. That'll be a special surprise when we do the calendar tomorrow morning. Okay, we are still in this season of autumn or fall. Okay, fall and autumn are the same thing. So we are in the season of autumn or fall. Okay, let's count to 30. Okay, are you guys ready? Here we go. Let Mrs. Hensley get her. I don't know where it is. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We have 30 days in September. Okay, so tomorrow we will have a new calendar and we'll say October up here. Okay, and then we'll add the first to it, October 1. Okay, so let's write our date. Okay, let's do it with this pink color. Here we go. We know that September is the 9th month and it is 30-20. Okay, we're going to shorten September as make it an abbreviation. Finger space 30, comma, 2020. Now we're going to write September out. September 30, comma, 2020. Okay. Okay, Mrs. Hensley's friends, let's talk about what it is we need to talk about for this wonderful Wednesday, okay? Let Mrs. Hensley get situated here. Okay, today on our agenda, we are going to focus on sound skills this morning. You are going to have another beginning sounds activity, okay? We are going to do our letter sound cards. We are going to work on letter word sound fluency. That will be sounds. We are going to work in our September journal for the last day of September. We are going to read the farm concert again, and you are going to draw me pictures. And I'll tell you what you'll be drawing when you hear that lesson. In math, we are going to focus on the number 8. So you will have an 8 activity. And let's see. Mrs. Hensley needs to get it together. It's a little confusing. Okay. I'm going to talk to you this afternoon about our pigs brainstorming reveal. And guess what? We're going to learn. I'm going to ask you what you know about another farm animal. It will be a surprise. And we will read a book about pigs today. I hope you're having an awesome Wednesday. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. I will talk to you soon, friends. Bye-bye.